guys, I am Shresh Parzane and I really welcome to my YouTube channel Dnyandeep Tutorials. So guys, in this section we are learning about the trick of 1111. So that is this trick. So guys, in this trick you have to follow only one step, that is a addition. What guys? Addition. So guys, let's go to our video and so let's start it. So we will take here one example. I will take here. So 5479 multiply by 1111. Okay guys, so that is very simple trick, just addition all the numbers. So 9 as it is, write it 9. Okay guys, so 9 plus 7, how much guys? 16. Oh, 16. Okay, so 6, carry over 1. So 9 plus 7, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 1, 21, carry over 2. Okay, so guys, 9 plus 7, 16, plus 4, 20, plus 5, 25, plus 2, how much? 27. Again carry over 2. So 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16, plus 2, 18. Carry over 1. So it's 4 plus 5, 9, plus 1, 10. Carry over 1. 5 plus 1, 6. This is very simple trick guys. In this now I was explaining you, hence we have to more time, means 10 to 12 seconds. I will just solve this by me. Okay, so I will solve it. So guys, 9 as it is 9. 9 plus 7 guys, 16. Carry over 1. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 4, 20 plus 1, 21. Carry over 2. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 20, 5 plus 2, 27. Carry over 2. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 5, 16 plus 2, 18. Carry over 1. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. Carry over 1 plus 5 plus 1, 6. Our answer has come. How much guys? Only 5 to 7 seconds. How much? 5 to 7. Now we will solve here by the 4-digit crisscross. 5, 4, 7, 9 multiply by 1, 1, 1, 1. So just start. 9 ones are 9, 7 ones are 7, 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 7 guys, 16. 6, carry over 1. So 4 plus 1 guys, 4. Sorry, 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9. 4 plus 9. How much guys? 13. Plus this one, 14. Plus 7 ones are 7. 14 plus 7, 21. Carry over guys, 2. 1 5 is a 5, 1 9, 9 ones are 9, 5 plus 9, 14, 15, 16, plus 4 ones are 4, 20, plus 7 ones are 7, 27. Carry over guys, how much? 2, 1 5 is a 5, 7 ones are 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 13, 14, plus 4 ones are 4, 14 plus 4, 18, 8, carry over 1, 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, how much? 5 ones are 5, 4 ones are 4, how much guys? Plus it, 9, plus 1 is 10, 0, carry over 1, 5 ones are 5, plus this one, 6. So guys, you can see that this answer 6087169 and this answer 6087169 is a clear, is a right. But here we have to 10 to 15 seconds. And if we solve it by school math, then we have to spend here 35 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, so I will just rough it. Okay. Stop. So guys, I will take here one example and we will meet in next lecture. So I will take here 7549 multiply by 11, 11, 11. Okay, so 9 as it is 9. Sorry, the duster has fallen down. So guys, the 9 as it is 9. Okay, 4 plus 9, how much guys? 13. Carry over 1. So 1 is carry over. Okay, 9 plus 4, how much guys? 13 plus 5, 18 plus 1, 19. 9 carry over 1. This was 19 plus 7. How much guys? 19 plus 7, 26 plus 1, 27. Carry over 2. 4 plus 5, how much guys? 9 plus 2, 11 plus 7, how much? 11 plus 7 guys, 18. Carry over 1. 5 plus 7, 12 plus 1, 13. Carry over 1. and last 7 plus 1 is 8. So guys, our answer has come. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and in next lecture we are seeing about best trick for finding square root. Okay guys, in next lecture we are seeing about this. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and just press the like button because we also get motivated how to we should changes in our teaching. So, and just press the subscribe button because you also know that in next video we are learning about this trick. It is the very best trick, and this is a very important for competitive exam, and I will just teach you this trick, and by this trick you can find your square root in more than 7 seconds. You can't find, only in 7 seconds. Okay guys, so till goodbye, thank you.